welcome to the first day of Challenge Me July, where all of my subscribers and my followers on Instagram have chosen art prompts for me to follow for every day of July. And day one comes to you from Christine. So let's get started. The prompt word from Christine was to do an octopus, reading a book, and having a cup of tea. So I pre-sketched off camera this design. And now we're going to be painting it using my watercolors. And then tomorrow and all the other days, I will be doing time lapses and voiceovers. So let's go. We'll probably be finishing this off in a time lapse anyway, but I just thought I would give you some real-time footage. We're doing the ultramarine blue using my De La Rani watercolors at the moment. And this is just an all-rounder brush. I'm not sure of the size. It's pretty old. It's from the SAA, the Society for All Artists. Okay, just a little bit more blue because then it will kind of, you can then see what you're working with if you get the background filled in. And then I can see the octopus's arms a bit better. Here we are, just like that. And I'm using 2 jars of water to the side here. One is for the real, cleaning of the brush. And then the next jar is for the clean water to use with watercolors, because you really do need to keep watercolors clean and your brush clean. So now we're going to go into a time lapse.